Students, now we will discuss the urinary system. The different parts of the urinary system are the kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Now we will discuss about how this urinary system functions. But before that, I will tell you how the kidneys, this process starts from the kidneys. The blood collects waste from all parts of the body, and then this waste containing blood, this impure blood, goes to the kidneys. The kidneys filter that impure blood and then sends back the pure blood back to the circulatory system, where the next process begins in the circulatory system. After sending the filtered blood back to the circulatory system, in the kidneys there remains the wastes along with extra salts and water. Now this extra salts and water with the waste turn into urine, and this urine is passed through the urinary bladder through ureters. As you can see, we have two kidneys which are located on each side of our vertebral column, and these kidneys are bean shaped. You can see from here the tube-like structure is joined and which is attached to the urinary bladder. This is the urinary bladder, and all the urine from the kidney goes to the urinary bladder. And how does it reach the urinary bladder? It reaches the urinary bladder through this pipe, and this tube-like structure, this pipe is called ureter. You can see on both the sides we have the ureters. When these ureters, they help in transporting this urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. When this urinary bladder is filled with the urine, it comes out of our body through urethra. From this point, the urine comes out of our body, and this point is called urethra. So we have basically four parts in the urinary system. The process starts from the kidneys. Here all the waste along with the extra salt and water remain, and then these turn into the urine. From here the urine is passed to the urinary bladder, and it is passed to the urinary bladder through these tubes which are called ureters. When this urinary bladder gets filled with the urine comes out from our body from this point which is called urethra. So in this way the urinary system functions. You can remember it in this way. At first, the waste and extra salt get collected in the kidneys. From here the urine goes to the urinary bladder through ureters, and then when this urinary bladder gets filled with the urine, it comes out through urethra. So with this we finish this chapter. Please read the chapter once again and go through all the videos once again. Thank you and have a nice day.